Hey Ash, thanks for jumping on the call on such short notice. Just for context, remember that schema change that I was working on for the user service specifically, where we wanted to split the usernames column to have both last and first name separate? Well, that work is finally done now, and as we speak, I'm just shipping it to staging so you can see it live.
Wait, hold on. Did you test it against real data yet?
I mean, it worked against my local PostgreSDB.
Your local PostgreSDB, the one which has like 5 mock users in it?
I mean, fair point, but what's the worst that could really happen?
Well, I'm midway through testing something on staging and I haven't really tried out your new schema changes yet. So when your code goes into staging, my queries would start breaking and then suddenly we'll be in a DM with the platform team at 11 p.m. debugging this. I really don't want that, do you?
I mean, no, but I mean, what's the alternative? Wait until you're done with all of your changes. That's really going to delay the release. I mean, feel free, be my guest and let the team lead know. You know that they don't call him Grumpy AL for nothing.
Why don't we just use Mirady's DB branching?
Branching for a database?
Yep, a full isolated copy of the database spun up on the fly for you. So you get to work and test out your changes in a realistic environment with realistic data while not affecting everyone else's work. Everyone just continues to use the existing staging DB and you get your own DB branch where you can try out your work.
And it doesn't touch the real staging DB.
Nope, your code wouldn't even know that it's talking to a database branch instead of the real staging database.
Mm, to be honest, it sounds like it would be a little bit complicated. I'm going to have to swap a bunch of connection strings in a bunch of different places in my code. But I mean, for you, I'll do the work.
No. I don't want any favors from you, and you don't need to worry about all of this with DB branching. With Mirady's DB branching, you don't need to make any code changes at all. You just add the DB branches field to your mirady.json file and point it to the environment variable that your code is already using to talk to the database. So when your code makes that call or makes that query to the database, Mirady will take care that it is talking to the branch database instead of the actual database in staging. All the other dependencies your code talks to are the normal unbranched ones which already exist in the staging.
Wait, so it just rewrites it for me?
Yep, every time your code calls the DB connection URL, it ends up talking to the staging data. It ends up talking to the database branch instead of the staging database.
Okay, that sounds like a lot less work than I was expecting.
Yep, pretty neat, right? Like you get to test out your changes without your code breaking down the staging environment for everyone else.
Nice, yeah, pretty cool. I guess this means that I'm probably going to need to cancel my chess.com membership since I'm probably not going to be waiting for staging access from now on. Thanks.
Yep, I'll send you the docs and you can learn more about database branching there.